Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video, I will show you how to tag someone in Instagram story privately. Like no one can see like you have tagged someone. So this feature is different from the normal tag that we do it in our Instagram story, in that we used to see a username to whom we have tagged. But this is a kind of mention. There will be no any username or anything in Instagram story, but that person will get a notification that you have tagged, and this story is especially for them. You can make them feel special without doing any show off or without showing it to a public. So how to use this feature, I will show you in my mobile screen. First of all, open your Instagram account and select a story that you want to post it. So I am selecting this one. So previously we were selecting in this way. So if you will tag it in this way, even if you will place it somewhere, the people can see, and if they will click beside this, that username will pop up. We don't have to do in this way. So I will discard and I will select a new one. Here you will see the option as mention. Click on this one and select the account and click on done. Here you can see in the display no username is tagged. If I will click on your story, so this story is tagged and I have mentioned that account. You can see here I have tagged this. So if I will go and open my that account, you can see mentioned you in their stories. You can see. So this is how you can use it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.